Thousands of people were dead, bodies were lying everywhere, as the smell of rotting flesh spread throughout the deadly silence. It wasn't an asteroid impact. It wasn't an alien invasion. It was just the day our planet lost something it was born with. The day it lost its rotation. The day the Earth stood still. Day in and day out, we experience the rotation of our planet. But how many of us truly realize its importance? Right now, when you're sitting in your chairs, we are actually spinning with the Earth at over 1,000 kilometers per hour. And you may think that, well, this is very high speed. Of course this is it. And then, we rarely notice that we are spinning in such a high speed. And there's an analogy, and it is that you're sitting in a car, and in a car we seldom think that we are moving. And it is actually what will happen if the Earth suddenly stops still is that we will be thrown into midair, and we'll be flying like angry birds. That's what happens, because like in a car, this driver slams the brake suddenly, and you get thrown out of the window. And that's the analogy. And then here's another deal. If the Earth really gradually stops spinning instead of suddenly coming to a standstill, what will happen? Well, at first, nothing was going to really happen, but then the oceans would begin to migrate, and we would start covering up the entire North and South Poles. And the reason why is that our spin is the force that keeps the water in place about the equator. But as the spin slows down, the water will gradually move towards the poles because it's lost in the rotation. And then people living in the north and south will be drowned, and we think that in the middle we'll be just fine, but the truth is not, because we'll be suffocating, as if someone grabbed us by the throat, because the atmosphere would have followed the oceans towards the poles.